really liquidy. Go back.
Not as eventful as I thought it would be.
It's expanding.
Oh yeah, it is.
Tip it. We got a lot at the front right now. Try and be smooth.
Yeah.
Dude, it's hot.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be really hot. I just rested on top. It doesn't seem like it's gonna sink.
Oh, it ain't sinking. Give her.
Got it?
Yep.
Want me to move the wood?
Yep.
It's gonna happen fast.
Yeah, it is. Oh, our wood's gone. Here's what it is. We tried.
We'll find it.
I can feel it pushing this up.
Can I have it?
It's right by the back hole.
Right by the back hole. Open your legs by the back hole, and we're gonna put this in there.
See if it fits.
It fits. We already tested it. Lift your side up. Just turn it down between the legs.
Well, that's there now. I don't think we have much of a say.
Well, it works. We got a motor on a boat. I thought it was down for the last time.
It was, but it's not centered right now.
Oh, we ain't gonna go no more. Look.
Nope.
Hitting.
Foam.
That's all we get.
I can't let go. It
Let go.
Nope. Wait, let go? It's gonna be going.
You know what that's gonna do in the water,
I
right?
know what it's gonna do in the water.
It'll be okay because you'll have a person in there, right? Balancing it out.
This is pretty hard now. But if we
With
put it
one-
on the ground,
with one guy in it, right?
I was thinking, hold on, let go of that.
So yeah, you're good.
Doesn't take much to balance.
Let
it
go.
out. I'm not.
Okay. It's fine.
Yeah, sure.
I just have my whole weight on it.
Yeah, no, we're good.
I heard a little bit of creaky, but whatever.
Yeah, but you're not in the water. Once you're in the water, you'll be okay.
Because we're actually only holding right now on like 4 little points, right? Once it's in the water, it'll.
It might
let's go
actually
put
be,
it in.
it might actually be a good balance because you'll have because it tips it now with one guy over here. It should be like
Do you know
neutral.
anything about boat motors and if that's the gas tank or we need a separate gas tank?
If what?
Is that a gas tank in there?
In where?
In that motor hole?
I don't believe so.
We need a separate gas tank?
I think so.
No, this cover comes off. Where the hell would the gas go?
Oh,
What is that?
don't you got to hook up a fuel line? I believe you.
That's a
hook up
trim
fuel line.
adjustment, I think.
So hot.
Look at.
Well, it's doing its job.
I wonder if it's still expanding.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, man.
We didn't give the first one 5
No, we
minutes.
didn't. Nope.
Hey, we're getting closer up there or no? On that side? I got a boat.
Yeah, I can see more here. Not so much.
Well, we're way down right now. To be honest, we should be having that off so that it'll come this
Here,
way.
let's get this off or try to.
You gotta sit right back. Okay, hold on.
You're gonna have to come around. Don't give me a hand here.
He's got the baby.
Dude, I don't.
Let's put that right on the ground. So then it's more flat. Ready, set?
Look at her. Can I go inside it?
She's a beaut.
Sure, why not?
I mean, you should. Well, I'm getting air out of it.
But as long as it's coming from the top, you're good, right?
Get out of there for a sec. We'll move it forward and then we'll both stand in it. Okay. Seems to work.
But,
That's what I'm saying. I think we might need a couple cans of the expanding.
Yeah,
Which I have another can right here.
hey, we can just do it like this.
Just go right in the hole.
Through the holes.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Get up here.
holy shit. Saying it's working.
Empty.
Almost.
Jeremy, come here.
What?
Great. It's awesome.
Is it all coming out there?
Yeah.
We should probably fix that. No, that's from the other stuff.
Okay, that's up. Alright. Just making sure, because it looked like it blew a hole in the side.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I think it's been 5 minutes now.
I think it's gonna float. I don't think it's not gonna. But the only way it can sink is if there's a pinhole in that foam and like one of the air pockets fills up.
I think it's fine.
We gotta figure out how to make this work.
I know, I'm gonna shut the camera off.